in action through a storm. No problems. All that water is routing out. The distribution boxes. So I just opened up the whole system and cleaned everything up real quick. Distribution boxes. You can see all the leaves that I took out of here right now. We cleaned the systems up in a matter of seconds. Look at how beautiful the grass grew back together. Took all those leaves out. Everything's working amazing. Distribution boxes. Look at this. The grass grew over here, right? But it doesn't cover where I need to get to. And look at that water routing perfectly fine.